G'day guys, in today's video I'm unboxing a Wavlink NVMe external enclosure, model number ST338C. This particular one I needed for a NVMe drive that is I think M+B, if memory serves me correct. I'll just look that up. This particular one is a B style, or M and B, which is basically these pins right here. We have a look here. We have the B key, we have the M key. Granted, some M SATAs also have, some SATA SSDs also have that one. This one is an NVMe drive, 512 gig model. And let's have a look and see what we see in the box. I've already cut that. And we have a cover for the NVMe. That's all right. We have a screwdriver and another screwdriver, Phillips and flat. Bit different. What else do we have? We have a USB-A to Type-C. We have a Type-C to USB-A cable. One instruction manual. And funnily enough, very thin thermal pad. Kind of neat. Bit of rubber housing. And the enclosure itself that looks to be vented. Not bad. When we zoom in, let's see what happens when we get into the enclosure itself. So I'm going to disregard the screwdriver I came with and use my personal preferred one. Very simple, very straightforward. So a chip here, another chip here. What we want to do, undo this. Sit that in here. I do note, this one is not keyed for both of these. I do know this model does work with it. Plug that in, put the screw in the back of it. If it wants to screw in. There we go. Thermal pad. Might as well use it just because it's here. Granted, on this particular model, I don't think it's really going to make any difference whatsoever. And this looks to slot back in, match up. Screw hole. Screw back in. So considering this was one of the more budget choices that were on Amazon at the time, I don't actually mind it. Comes with a bit more than I would have actually expected. It's kind of cool, it's got this weird little rubber housing, then also a pouch for it. I'm going to assume that the other end of that pouch would also be for the cable to go into here. So, considering this only cost around, it was about 25 Australian dollars on special, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, that'll do for today. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.